morning guys, welcome back to my channel. And today is Tuesday and today's video is I am here in municipality of San Isidro and I am with my co-vloggers. We're going to explore the San Isidro River Eco Tour today and yes, samahan nyo kami. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung gaano ka ganda yung river nila. And we are going there to register your name. Buka ma-boating.
Wala ang river to, wala pa guys siya ngayon para 100% nag-operate na. However, nag-invite ka mo, ako na invite ka mo si Jesus, nag-invite ka mo, so invite ka mo tanan para isa ka mo sa makauna pag tour dira, except sa mga taga-diri.
So guys, negative black and white. Kuha na dili ko water.
So guys, I think I'm ready. Let's go. Let's do the adventure. Oh my god, this is my first time I can swim. Good luck. Good luck. Grabe yung mga kasama ko guys. I feel safe, Char. Sana all single.
Arel! Si Mark amurang kinumos na munggos. Si Mark amurang kinumos na munggos.
Guys, ayan, nag-start na kami papunta sa San Miguel. And then, we're very lucky kasi kami yung pinagbigyan na pinakaunang mag-tour dito sa Eco River ng San Isidro. And this is the biggest kanipaan pala dito to all Siargao. Ngayon ko lang alam ha. And I'm with Siargao Alan Ship Vlogger.
Hello guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel.
Yes, please. And ilalagay ko dyan yung channel niya. And yes guys, hindi ako marunong lumangoy pero nandito ko ngayon sa safety. Guys, kailangan pag pumunta ka dito doing kayak, yung ano ka, brave. Ayan, so hindi naman nakakatakot kahit first time pa, so okay lang. And malapit kayong maligaw. Kasi pag na-reach nyo na yung lugar dito, 200, my left and right, doon kayo pupunta sa left kasi ito papunta ito sa Matinao, Burgos. Hi guys! Eh, winner kami! Oh, come on! Walang may na gym ko ang bangka.
Ano ka muna po yun?
Guys, because we don't have we forgot to bring a water, they are going to get a coconut for us. Butong! Oh, sorry. Yes, and we have some here. Guys, alam nyo ba, pag malubog daw yung tubig, meron niya buadya or crocodile. Aray!
Baliin na itong bugkot itong bro. Butangin ng kahoy. Okay, itong kahoy.
Sorry. Okay guys, kasi uhaw lang kami. Ayan.
Paano ba? Kaya nung Kub.
So ayan guys, ewan ko kung ilang kilometer na kami. Ang tagal pa din. Si Memo nga yan niya.
Ramil. Kiray-tay? Aw, taga rin. Kaya na ba Aw.
Yan guys, nagkupra sila.
Nanlabay na kami sa ano? Sa Burawin, no? Oo, lagi. Ato sa crossing dito kayo na.
Amo na itong Burawin.
Oo. Ari-anay kami yan, dali. Salamat ka Rajaw.
Salamat.
Kadulugay mong magmotor. Ano yung katalamang din para dali ra. Puro bitag lamang.
Puro ya tawa.
Puro sagda. Aral kami dali maguna-una ya. Salamat.
Labaya. Ay, dito na kami ngayon sa...
Ito ay yung atanan, di na kami yan ang adiya San Miguel.
Yay!
So yan magkikinita kita kung gaano kaupait atong yung kakatuan yan na.
Getting closer.
Pero na kamo magkikita amon, kung karoon niyo magkikita, pakadi na kamo. Ano ba tiyo ginihinulat dida?
Tingnan nyo guys, super ganda ng tubig dito at ang linaw at may naglalaba. Hi te!
Welcome
Hi.
to Barangay San Miguel, San Isidro, Surigao del Norte.
Yeah. Hala ka gana ko diri kay katinaw. May tulay pa din dyan para makapunta sila dito sa kabila.
So, adi na kami. Mapasla na kami din ni. So, adi hirap.
Labayra. Ganyan dito guys sa probinsya maglaba, ganyan lang.
So,
Tapos pagkatapos magsabon, waswas. Hay na. Ay!
Province, diri ka mamumblema at damo nga tubig.
Correct.
Purya tao, purya sagda. Adi lang na kami din, mapasla na kami din dahiyo.
Wow.
Maupay liwat hiya.
Guys,
Duruhan.
super ganda dito. Nailagi ilat ko ana. Oops. Watch out. Okay, so we made it. Nandito na kami sa San Miguel Eco Bridge.
So where did we put this?
And kami yung pinakaunang dumating dito nila. Hi, Kuya.
So how about us? Where did we put this?
Maybe there.
For sure, not there.
Oh, din here.
Yeah, let's try it there.
Okay. We will try there para mas easy. Guys, sobrang linaw ng tubig. Tingnan nyo.
Purya sagda.
Purya sagda.
So guys, let's go. Let's do the ride.
Yay! So we just arrived here in San Miguel Eco Bridge and kami ang nauna dito kasi yung mga kasama namin sila marunong magbugsay-bugsay. I'm sure you can enjoy the view here guys kasi sobrang ganda at sobrang linaw ng tubig and it's so refreshing. Guys, this is my first time here and first time ko sumakay ng kayak and then wow, it was really enjoying. Sobrang ganda ng view, may enjoy nyo talaga, super. And meron pang ganyan swing. I wish I know how to swim kasi para makaano tayo dyan, makatry. Yan, papakita ko sa inyo yung bridge guys. Pwede kayong pumunta dito ng nakamotor but we choose to do kayak kasi mas fun. Lina ng tubig at saya kayo can do also the rope swing and then the other one there. Sige. Kaya to. Woo! Ah! Okay guys, so we are done here in San Miguel Eco Bridge and let's proceed to next stop. Ano yung unsa nga sa next stop, sir?
Kanuging Lagon.
Okay guys, so next is we are going to Kanuging Lagon. Naglakad lang kami kasi ano, lalakarin lang. Okay guys, so we are here now at the second stop called Secret Lagon and woo!
Son!
Bagang sumpay na ba dito ganina?
Dili. Oh, parang amor dyan ang gawasan.
Gawasan?
A few moments later.
Wow, look at this place guys. Oh my god, it's so amazing. It's a kind of adventurous place ever that I just experienced. This is my first time. And thank you so much to the municipality of San Isidro na inimbitahan nila kami na i-feature yung lugar nila. Come on! Yay! Goy ka pas-pas. Gawin ka nice.
Round and round we go, losing self-control. I keep telling myself, but I don't wanna let you know. Is this what we become? Strangers on the run, looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you make them just be alone, be alone.
So we're just back from our adventures for today. Thank you so much for our ride and I really enjoy it.
Welcome, Quezon City! Hey, that one is perfect, I think.
Yes, very nice. So yeah, we're just back now here from our adventure and it's really nice and refreshing and I really enjoy it. And I'm very thankful to the San Isidro Tourism to invite us, and of course because Siargao Road Trip 360. Thank you so much for inviting me as the one of Ako Vloggers here in Siargao na nag-feature river here in San Miguel, San Isidro, and I'm very thankful for. Alright guys, we're just back here in Municipality of San Isidro from our adventures for today, and it was very nice and it was very refreshing and sobrang ganda ng lugar, and sa lahat ng gusto papunta doon is like about 2 hours kasi depende yata sa tubig, and then when we get back it's like almost 1 hour and 10 minutes na lang. So ayan guys, so I hope you will enjoy your adventure here next time when you come and visit San Isidro. Yeah, I hope na enjoy nyo yung video ko at so ngayon si Sir Kevin, siya yung nag-guide sa amin papunta dito, and yes guys, kung pupunta kayo dito hanapin nyo lang siya, and it's very nice sir talaga, grabe, super adventurous, very adventurous and napakaganda ng place, very refreshing.
Yung last na aalis as per protocol,
yes,
kami na guide, so ang last na aalis sa place, so wala na iwan, nakasama, lahat andun na.
Yes,
then,
that's
kasama
right.
namin na una, din ako ang last.
Thank you so much sir, and much appreciated na naimbitahan mo kami dito, and yeah, I'm very happy na isa ako na nakasali dito sa Siargao Vloggers group namin. Thank you very much. Okay guys, bye bye, and uuwi na kami ngayon. Yeah, that's all the end of our adventure for today, and yeah, we'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye.
It's what we become, strangers on the run.